How to make a faux landscape rock utility cover. There are many additions to your yard that help to beautify your home. Utility covers positioned in the middle of your yard are not in this category. Many people with exposed utility covers choose to cover them with faux landscape rocks. There are several varieties available to purchase from landscaping stores, but you can make a custom one yourself out of cement. A custom landscape rock can be any size, shape and color that you want. Things you'll need: chicken wire, wire snips, bird wire, twist ties, cement, mixing bucket, cement trowel, wet rag, paint or stain. Build a form for the rock around the utility cover using chicken wire. Bend the wire in place, cutting seams and pleats with wire snips as needed. Bumps, dents and irregularities are fine, they will make the rock look more natural. The bottom of the form should be left open so the rock can be lifted off of the cover if needed. Cover the form with bird wire, which has a much finer mesh than chicken wire and will hold the cement better. Use twist ties to bind the chicken wire and bird wire together if needed. Mix a thick batch of cement, following the instructions on the packaging. It should have the consistency of peanut butter. Spread a half-inch thick layer of cement over the entire form with a cement trowel. If you want the stone to bear weight, make the cement an inch thick. This will increase its weight. Allow the cement to begin to stiffen, then buff it with a wet rag to remove trowel marks, and smooth the surface. Allow the cement to cure for 2 days. Paint the faux rock with stone spray paint, or use concrete stain for a more realistic finish. Tips: warnings. Concrete stain is brushed onto the cement, then wiped off. Allow it to dry for a day or two before handling the faux rock.